Oh my gosh, this is really cool. I'm at Chippewa Valley Outdoors, located in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. And they have 4 of the largest Black Series travel trailers: the HQ15, the HQ17, the HQ19, and the HQ21. And although there are a lot of similarities between these 4 trailers, there are some unique differences as well. So in this video, we're gonna snoop in all 4 of these travel trailers, and we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison so you can see the differences by watching just one video. But in case you're unfamiliar with the Black Series travel trailers, they're designed for off-roading. So you can take this trailer to many places that you wouldn't be able to get to with many other travel trailers. These are luxury camping trailers, as you're about to see. But real quick, before we go inside, I want to show you the outdoor kitchen that's available on all 4 of these trailers. Okay, let's go on inside and start our comparison. And let's start with the bedrooms first. And this is what the bedroom area looks like in the Black Series HQ15. It's located in the front of the camper, and it has a queen-size mattress with a marble top located on each side of the bed. Above the headrest are 2 cabinets for storage. And to the side of each one of these cabinets is another storage area for hanging clothes. And above each one of the windows is more cabinet space. And this is what the bedroom area looks like in the Black Series HQ17. And as you can see, it's virtually identical to the HQ15. But the HQ17 also has 2 bunk beds located in the back of the camper. This is the only camper that has bunk beds. And this is what the bedroom area looks like in the Black Series HQ19. Once again, it's virtually the same as the other 2. The main differences in all 4 of these camper trailers is going to be in the kitchen areas, the bathrooms definitely, and the dinette areas too, as you're about to see. And this is what the bedroom area looks like in the Black Series HQ21. Once again, it's the same, but here's a big difference. This bedroom area is located in the back of the camper, where the other 3 bedroom areas were located in the front of the campers. And this is what the kitchen area looks like in the Black Series HQ15. After you see all 4 of these kitchens, I'll be curious to find out which one is your favorite. I know I've got my favorite, and I'll leave my favorite one in the comments section below. And go ahead and let me know which one is your favorite by letting me know in the comments section below too. And there is 1 cabinet above the sink for storage in this trailer. This one is the smallest refrigerator in all 4 of these trailers. And there's a little more storage space underneath the sink. This is what the kitchen area looks like in the Black Series HQ17. And this one has 2 storage cabinets above the sink. And more storage space below the sink. The microwave is the same size as the HQ15, but the refrigerator in the HQ17 is much larger. And this is what the kitchen area looks like in the Black Series HQ19. And it looks like they're fixing a drawer in this one. And this one has a 3-burner stovetop and an oven. And this trailer has 3 cabinets above the sink. Plus a side cabinet. And this is the storage space below the kitchen sink. And the refrigerator and the microwave in the HQ19 is the same one that's found in the HQ17. And this is what the kitchen area looks like in the Black Series HQ21. The HQ21 has the same stovetop and oven as found in the HQ19. And this trailer also has 3 storage cabinets above the sink. And this is the storage space below the sink. But the HQ21 is the only one with this pull-out spice and storage rack. Across from the sink and the stove is the microwave, the refrigerator, and even more storage space. This trailer also has an upper cabinet and a lower cabinet with shelves in between, right off the kitchen and right by the door entrance. The refrigerator in the HQ21 is the same refrigerator found in the HQ17 and 19. However, the microwave in this trailer is upgraded and it's larger. This is what the dinette area looks like in the Black Series HQ15, and it's located directly across from the kitchen area. The tables in all 4 of these Black Series trailers fold down to an extra sleeping area. And this trailer has 5 storage cabinets above the dinette table. And this is what the dinette area looks like in the Black Series HQ19, and it's located across from the refrigerator. And this trailer has 4 storage cabinets located above the dinette table. And this is what the dinette area looks like in the Black Series HQ19, and it's located right across from the kitchen area. This trailer has 5 storage cabinets located above the dinette table. And this is what the dinette area looks like in the Black Series HQ21, and it's located in the front of the camper. I think you could comfortably seat 5 people here. And there are 7 storage cabinets located above the dinette area in this trailer. This is what the bathroom looks like in the Black Series HQ15, and it's located in the back of the camper. There's a storage cabinet to the left of the sink, and then there are 3 storage cabinets above the sink. And more storage space below the sink. And this bathroom has a separate shower space. And there's also a pocket door for bathroom privacy. And this is what the bathroom looks like in the Black Series HQ17, and it's a wet bath. The bathroom in this trailer is located across from the dinette area. And this is what the bathroom looks like in the Black Series HQ19, and it's located in the back of the camper. And this is the only Black Series trailer that has a washing machine. This bathroom has 3 storage cabinets above the sink area and 3 storage drawers below the sink area. All the toilets in these 4 trailers are made out of porcelain. And the bathroom in this trailer also has a separate shower area. And it also has a pocket door for privacy. And this is what the bathroom areas look like in the Black Series HQ21. Located between the kitchen and the bedroom on the passenger side is the bathroom, and on the driver's side is the shower. In this bathroom area, there are 2 cabinets above the sink with additional storage space located below the sink area. Across from the bathroom is the shower. These Black Series travel trailers are pretty cool, and they're great for off-roading. But you gotta see the other quality built small camper trailers in this video playlist. They're pretty cool too. Click here to start watching now and to see what I mean.